My feelings are heavy and my family is far away. The ice has melted and the wine has turned bitter. Our connection was once warm, you were my queen. But everything became difficult and sank like a boat. I wanted to build a beautiful home for you, but sadly there is no carpenter left. Ooh. Why didn't you leave something behind? Everything turned dark. Everything turned dark. Everything turned dark. The shame. We speak of memories that once warmed us. Hidden in the heart, your spirit is different. My anger faded as I thought of you. It's alright, my heart still beats for you. This man of yours will keep enduring. Forgive the passion that blinded